Welcome to Scienceado. Generative AI is evolving and getting popular. Since its introduction, new models and research papers are getting released almost every other day. The major reason for the exponentially increasing popularity is the development of large language models. LLMs, the artificial intelligence models that are designed to process natural language and generate human-like responses, are trending. The best example is OpenAI's ChatGPT, the well-known chatbot that does everything from content generation and code completion to question answering, just like a human. Even OpenAI's DALL-E and Google's BERT have contributed to making significant advances in recent times. What is AutoGPT? Recently, a new AI tool has been released, which has even more potential than ChatGPT. Called AutoGPT, this tool performs human-level tasks and uses the capabilities of GPT-4 to develop an AI agent that can function independently without user interference. GPT-4, which is the latest add-on to OpenAI's deep learning models, is multimodal in nature. Unlike the previous version, GPT 3.5, which only lets ChatGPT take textual inputs, the latest GPT-4 accepts text and images both as input. AutoGPT, the free-of-cost and open-source in nature Python application, uses GPT-4 technology. AutoGPT uses the concept of stacking to recursively call itself. Stacking is an approach that lets AI models use other models as tools or mediums to accomplish a task. AutoGPT, using this method and with the help of both GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, creates full projects by iterating on its own prompts. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, in AutoGPT. AutoGPT's abilities make it a promising application that makes it an example of Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This type of technology represents a significant breakthrough in the field of AI, as it has the potential to develop machines that can understand and learn intellectual tasks like humans. AGI can perform a wide range of tasks and find solutions when faced with unfamiliar tasks. It is designed to be able to learn and adapt to new situations and environments without the need for specific prompts or instructions for each new task. Features of AutoGPT. AutoGPT's access to GPT-4 makes it a great tool for high-quality text generation. It even has access to popular websites and platforms, which helps in its better interaction and better ability to perform various tasks. AutoGPT manages both short-term and long-term memory and has internet connectivity for searching the internet and gathering information. Moreover, due to the power of GPT 3.5, AutoGPT has file storage and summarization capabilities and can even use DALL-E for image generation. Some examples of AutoGPT's capabilities have been shared on Twitter, which include creating a do-anything machine that spawns a GPT-4 agent to complete any task added to the task list. It can also read recent events and prepare a podcast outline. AutoGPT even enables the creation of an Agent GPT, where an AI agent is given a goal, comes up with an execution plan, and takes action. It even created a website using React and Tailwind CSS in under 3 minutes. What is Baby Aggie? Baby Aggie combines OpenAI's GPT-4 with LangChain, a coding framework, and Pinecone, a vector database, to spawn new agents that can complete complex tasks while considering the original objective. Inspired by artificial general intelligence, Baby Aggie imitates humans and uses its long-term memory to store and retrieve information quickly. Baby Aggie basically trains and evaluates various AI agents in a simulated environment and tests their ability to learn and perform tough tasks. How autonomous agents are introducing generative AI to the masses. AI agents, the computer programs that interact with the environment to make decisions, operate autonomously, or interact with humans or other agents using natural language. Used in a wide range of applications, such as customer service, personal assistance, gaming, and robotics, An AI agent is classified based on several criteria, such as autonomy, reactivity, proactiveness, environment, and flexibility. Designing and implementing an AI agent involves identifying the problem domain, choosing an appropriate architecture, defining goals and actions, implementing the agent's logic, and testing and debugging. AutoGPT is an example of an AI agent that uses generative AI to solve problems. It operates autonomously and has the potential to revolutionize many industries. It even raises concerns about the impact of autonomous AI agents on human jobs, privacy, and security. It is important to carefully consider these implications and ensure that AI agents are developed and used responsibly. Limitations of AutoGPT. AutoGPT is a powerful tool but comes with a significant obstacle. Its adoption in production environments is difficult due to its high cost. Each step requires a call to the GPT-4 model, which is an expensive process that often maxes out tokens to provide better reasoning. The cost of GPT-4 tokens is not cheap, and according to OpenAI, the GPT-4 model with an 8K context window charges 3 cents per 1,000 tokens for prompts and 6 cents per 1,000 tokens for results. AutoGPT uses GPT-4 and a simple programming language to perform tasks. The range of functions provided by AutoGPT is limited. The functions include searching the web, managing memory, interacting with files, executing code, and generating images, but they narrow down the range of tasks AutoGPT can solve effectively. Also, the decomposition and reasoning abilities of GPT-4 are still constrained, which further limits AutoGPT's problem-solving capabilities. Conclusion. AutoGPT's ability to perform a wide range of tasks and generate creative ideas makes it a promising tool in the field of AI. Its performance may be limited in complex real-world business scenarios, but if the tool continues to develop and improve, it has the potential to become even more powerful and versatile. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked this video and share your ideas in the comment section. And of course do subscribe.